How to promote and sell books on Etsy. Welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. In today's video, we'll be discussing an exciting topic for all you book lovers and aspiring authors out there. How to promote and sell books on Etsy. So let's dive into our video. Go to our Google account and type in promote and sell books on Etsy. So here you can see how to stand out when selling books on Etsy. This is just a small description. Choose a catchy shop name and logo. Use high quality photos of your books, creating attractive, well-written listings, offer competitive pricing, and provide great customer service. So here, let's click on selling books on Etsy. So as you can see, find trending products and get more sales on Etsy. Let's click on sign up for free. So here we help you grow your Etsy business. So let's sign up. Create a new Crest account. Here for the password. Confirm password. So accept terms and conditions. Let's register. Password does not match, so let's try that again. Hit enter. So it doesn't match. Then so register. Nope, for this one. This is Crest, the Etsy assistant. And by the way, guys, Etsy is known for a marketplace of unique handmade products, providing a fantastic platform for independent authors to showcase and sell their books to a global audience. Whether you're a published author or just starting your writing journey, Etsy offers opportunities, connect with book enthusiasts, and generate sales. This tutorial will guide you through the process of promoting and selling books on Etsy, including creating a compelling book listing, optimizing your shop, leveraging Etsy's marketplace, and maximizing your book's visibility. So here, it has a plan. And let's go to home. Right here, you have not yet added any shop, so click here to add one. Connect it one. So grant access. And now our shop is connected to AXL Trading is connected to Crest. This is our Etsy shop. Now it's importing the shop's data. So while waiting, let's go to listing. So as you can see here, update your plan. So if you update your plan, it will give you a paid overview for your account. So it is not free. So you have to update your plan to create that right here. So let's go and look for, let's go home for the listing. We have to upgrade this plan, so let's go back to promote sell books on Etsy. So here, let's look for an article. So let's see right here on how to sell books. So here, access strategic tools, calculate the time it looks, so not today for this one. So as you can see, there are lots of instruction on how to sell books on Etsy. But for now, let's go back and let's click on this one. So can you sell an unpublished book? So It is possible to sell an unpublished book, but it is generally more difficult to do so. So unpublished books are often seen as less valuable by potential buyers. So that instruction that we have to learn is that we have to sell published book or promote published books on our Etsy account so that viewers or potential readers can access it accordingly to what they need, because published books are more sellable than unpublished books. So can you make money off self-published books? So as we can see right here, self-published authors can earn up to 60% royalties on a single book sale. So in comparison, traditionally published authors earn only 10 to 12% of their earnings from royalties. So as we can see right here, most ebook publishers would prefer to work on a platform such as Kindle. But for this one, can authors sell books on Etsy? Yes, authors can sell books on Etsy. So if you're an author, you can also sell your books on Etsy. So you can also promote your Etsy shop through social media and other online channels. So Craig's books can be found on the e-commerce website or Etsy. So once we have our Etsy account, we can now use Pinterest to promote it, and also we can use Facebook, and we can also use Twitter. So here, let's go home. So there's are many platforms that we can use to promote our Etsy shop. So can you sell KDP books on Etsy? So there is no definitive answer to this question, as Etsy's policy is constantly changing and evolving. So as you can read that article, can you sell on both Etsy and Amazon? Yes, because if you connect Etsy and Amazon Handmade, you can sell on both platforms at the same time. So you can dropship your book and many more to your Etsy account. So connect it to Crest right here, add the listing, and promote it using your Etsy account. So right here, so you can see we have no overview, revenue, and activity, because this is just for tutorial purposes only. And that's it, guys. We hope you found this tutorial on how to promote and sell books on Etsy helpful and inspiring. Etsy provides a unique platform for authors to showcase their literary creations and connect with readers worldwide. Remember to craft enticing book description, create eye-catching cover images, and offer personalized options like signed copies or book bundles. If you like this video, please leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tutorials. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you on the next video.